decades business have paid consultants millions of dollars for advice. But the truth is that best decisions are not made in overpriced slide decks. They are made by rigorously analyzing data and acting on it in real time. Nowhere this is more obvious than e-commerce. Consumer brands are drowning in data buried under software bloat and hiring consultants who can't even code. Operand is building an AI to help run consumer brands. We are starting with pricing and discount optimization like an actual expert. Operand factors in everything: competitor activity, ad strategy, inventory, and more. It has already generated six-figure in PL&L impact for early customers. While computers are powerful, they are not perfect yet. Every result is verified by human experts, so you get actual impact, not just AI hyper, and this is just the beginning. We are rolling out new capabilities like customer re-engagement and ad spend optimization that are driving 3x conversion rate improvements. Ditch the slide decks, try Operand instead.